Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change the password on Twitch app. First of all, you can open the Twitch application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can now tap on settings at very last. And after this, you can now tap on security and privacy, and here you can see the option password. Tap on password. You can just simply enter your current password, or after entering the current password you can enter a new password, and after entering the new password you can confirm the new password by tapping on confirm new password, and you can now tap on done. And it is the way you can change password on Twitch app. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.